This is sedimentary rock video identification number 2. I have this small white rock here. It's you can see it's got a very, very fine texture if you rub it. It's really smooth. I mean, it's almost silky smooth, and there's a little bit of a sheen on there. It's so smooth. I don't know if you can catch that in the light or not. But very smooth, almost like talcum powder. And it's very easily, you can see this, it's just very easily scraped off, and it scrapes off as a very fine, fine powder with just my fingernail. It's a little hard to tell whether this is a very fine clastic rock or if it's a very fine chemical rock. But in either event, if they're very fine, like I think the basic choices are dolomite or possibly clay. And so I did a quick acid test on this. And this is really hard to see with the vinegar. But I looked at it with a magnifying glass. There was no reaction there. And then, of course, it could be dolomite. And so what I did this a little bit a minute ago, I put some of the powder that I'd scraped off and put a drop of vinegar on the powder because, and see if that would react. And it doesn't. I'm going to just take a look at it with my magnifying glass because it's really hard with the vinegar. And there's nothing happening there. It's just sitting there. So that would mean that it's not dolomite, and so based on that, identify this as clay or clay stone.